Okay, this video is over Freaky Friday number 7, and this is using the slope formula. So that would be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to do 3 of the problems with you. Number 1 is first. So if we start by labeling our points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we just plug it into that formula. Our y2 value is -1. Then we have a minus, and then y1 is +1. Over x2, which is -2, minus x1, which is 4. Okay, then we just solve it. So -1 minus 1 is -2, and -2 minus 4 is -6. And then you have to reduce it. You always have to reduce. So since they're both negatives, we know that's going to become positive. And then both of these numbers are divisible by 2. So I can divide both of them by 2, which would give me a 1. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3, so the answer is 1/3. Alright, now we can do the exact same thing on question number 2. Label your points and plug it into the formula. So our y2 value is -8, and then minus y1, which is 3. And then x2 is -4 minus x1, which is also -4. Okay, and then when we subtract, -8 minus 3 is -11. And then right here, since we have two negatives right next to each other, they become positives. And so -4 plus 4 gives you 0. Anytime you have some number over 0, it's always going to be undefined because you can't divide by 0. It's impossible. Alright, and then our last one, number 4, label it again, and plug it into the formula. We start with y2, which is -18, minus y1, which is also -18, divided by x2, which is -15, minus x1, which is 12. Okay, once again, since we have two negatives right next to each other, they become a positive. And then -18 plus 18, they cancel out and you get 0. And then -15 minus 12 would be -27. Now if you have a 0 over any number, your answer is 0, because 0 divided by anything, it's still 0. Okay, that is the Freaky Friday number 7, and it is due on Friday, so you've got a few more questions to do.